Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are going through an overview and installation of the CarpodGo Android Auto for your vehicle. Let's jump in it. Are you getting ready for your holiday trip and you're using a cell phone holder like I am? Why don't you upgrade to the CarpodGo CarPlay system that hooks up to your phone so you can see it so much easier? In this video, we'll be going through the installation of this and see how the upgrade is on our vehicle. This is what comes in your kit with the CarPlay by CarpodGo. What an awesome addition to my vehicle by CarpodGo, the Android Autoplay CarPlay. So this thing is a great addition, and it's going to increase my visibility of my map, my phone calls, everything while I'm driving. So it is so much safer, and it is a plug and play right into your vehicle's auto system already. So all you have to do is hit the mic button and the Android Autoplay will bring up your calls. So that is absolutely amazing. Make sure you grab yours in the video description down below, everyone. This is a plug and play system and very easy to connect to your phone. Now that is a bigger screen to look at while driving, isn't it? So much better than your phone. Also, this is touchscreen and it Bluetooths right to your phone as well. Very easy installation. I'd say the hardest part is going to be wiring up the rear view camera that the screen comes with, which shouldn't be too bad. A little bit of wiring there. As you see, one wire is coming down, is going to my power over here. It does have a USB plug on it and a little breaker inside, so if that thing pops, you know, you can just click it and it will come back on. So we shut that. Oh, don't judge me on my cup holders. All right, I still got to do a nice detail of the inside of the car as well, so looking forward to that. And we do have a few more repairs to this Volkswagen Tiguan, so definitely stay tuned for those. But as you see, let's go ahead and peel this off right here. Ooh, so beautiful. I love doing that. All right. Turn on Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, once you connect it to the Bluetooth, then say right there, well, I guess I can't record at the same time, or can I? The Bluetooth is connected right there. It does say connected to my phone now, so we're good there. And it's just doing auto connecting to the phone itself. Now you see everything come up. You do see in the upper right hand corner your Bluetooth signal is good to go. It is lit up, which means the phone is going to connect to the screen. Remember, Android Auto, so it makes it easier while you drive, so you don't have to mess with your phone. Beautiful system nonetheless. I can't wait to use it on our upcoming trip. So definitely stay tuned for all the maintenance and repairs we're going to get done before that trip. Here we go. All right, well, make sure you grab your CarpodGo Android Autoplay in the video description down below. I'll send a link over to you. Get it, give it to your loved ones before the holidays and they start making their trips across the country. So thanks for watching, everyone, and if you do have any questions about the CarpodGo, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button. All right, guys, so what'd you think of the CarpodGo Android Auto screen, and I mean, this thing is 60 frames per second, comes with a rear view camera as well, which I still have to install. Definitely stay tuned for that. And man, the screen is really nice. It hooks up to my phone great. It's a touch screen. You know, you got the map, you got your tags, you got everything on there, giving you a bigger screen to look at and safer to travel during the holidays. I put the link in the description down below. Get yours today and send it to your loved ones before we all make these trips for the holidays. Stay safe out there, everyone, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel for even more DIY auto repair and auto right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.